about to make Jeremy something for dinner, and this is leftover. So we contacted Happy Campers, and they were so kind to send us some samples of their bread. Today, we are going to use some of the buckwheat molasses bread and make Jeremy some of that pulled pork leftovers. This bread is best served toasted or warm. So we're going to toast it up, put some butter on it, and I know Jeremy's mouth is watering because poor guy, he never gets any bread. Makes me feel bad. On the leftover pulled pork, I'm going to make Jeremy an onion. There it is. I'm gonna take this onion, I'm gonna slice it up, I'm gonna put it on top of this pulled pork, and then I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce. Even though it was a Carolina style, we're gonna add some barbecue sauce for tonight. Okay, ready for leftovers. Buttered Happy Campers buckwheat molasses bread that you watched me fry. It's holding together on most pieces. It did separate just a little bit, but it's gonna be fine. And it smells so good. And then we're gonna add the pulled pork and some onions and a little barbecue sauce, and Jeremy is gonna be enjoying dinner tonight. 2 sandwiches. Some barbecue on this one, and this one. How's that Happy Campers bread?
It's good. It's good.
Is it? It's called buckwheat molasses. Can you taste the molasses?
A little bit, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Yum.
Very good.
Easy dinner through the week. Tonight I am going to make Preston and Jeremy some tomato soup and some grilled cheese. Preston is not feeling good. He's had a fever this afternoon. But Parker, so Preston wants some soup and grilled cheese because he hasn't eaten all day. I'm happy to make him anything because you know when they're sick and everyone eats. You guys tried this? Happy Campers buckwheat molasses bread. Jeremy loves it. I made him like 3 meals already with it. It's so good. It just smells so good. And some gluten-free bread for his gluten-free cheese. I don't know about you guys, but I make grilled cheese with mayonnaise. I'm gonna make them both 2 grilled cheese. So what I do is I take mayonnaise and I put it on both sides of the bread. And that's gonna be my oil that I use to put it in the frying pan. Just take the Hellmann's, put it on both sides of all the bread. That's exactly what we're doing. So I don't wanna run out of time all in the middle of the night, so Jeremy just went to Walmart to get some on his way home. That's it with the mayo. Let's get this grilled cheese made. Let's not make it a mess. and we'll call you again.